Hello everybody, welcome to another day here in Playa del Carmen. Unfortunately, today there will be no pool tricks. Very sad.
The shit pool is still closed. It's closed off with yellow tape.
Well, we have actually something exciting. I'm gonna go for a 7-kilometer hike to the beach and to a secret swimming hole right next to the beach. So let's go. I'm really sad that there will be no pool tricks today. It's a very sad day, but we have to come up with something else to do. Such a nice day. I actually was sitting inside for the past 3 days, just editing my video from Tulum. So if you haven't seen it, then you need to go and watch it now. This is gonna be a long walk. 7 kilometers. It's gonna take probably 1 hour. I'm going through the area of Playa Carre, where I have been living for 2 months, I think. It's so sad that the swimming pool is closed. A life without pool tricks is a very sad life. Been going for 10 minutes. I have probably 35 minutes left. Actually, the place I'm going to is on the other side of Playa del Carmen, so I'm gonna go all through the town today. It would take a while to walk across Playa del Carmen with a population of 150,000 people. We actually have some stores open here. This store is open. We have some stores open here. It's really strange to see actually, because I've been walking here so many times and every single store has been closed for the past 2 months. I've seen so many places open actually, a bunch of restaurants, and there's way more people out on the streets now.
Here we have the reconstruction of 5th Avenue in Playa del Carmen.
I've been walking for a while through town. I'm almost there though. Not so much further. Now I'm actually really far out of town. Nothing here really. I had walked all the way across town to the eastern part of the city and almost made it to the destination for today. I'm on my way out to the beach now to see if we can find this swimming hole. It's supposed to be right next to the beach. The road is flooded. It's a bit hard to walk here. A bunch of water on the road. I had been to this part of town a few weeks earlier, but now I had to keep walking for another few kilometers to the end. I came out on the beach after walking about 7 kilometers. A really long walk. It's really hot here actually. 27 degrees Celsius maybe, 90 Fahrenheit. We have a few people here actually, but not so many. Now I'm actually really far out from Playa del Carmen. I had walked all across the town of Playa del Carmen and to the eastern parts, where there is a lagoon in the middle of the green areas called Punta Esmeralda. It has fresh water that comes up from underground. The water is always 23 degrees Celsius, which is 73 Fahrenheit, and it comes up from underground and goes out into the ocean. Alright, here we have Punta Esmeralda. It's a cenote and the water is about 22 degrees Celsius, 73 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm so sweaty. I've been walking for I don't know, maybe 1 hour, so it's gonna be really nice to jump in and cool off.
The water is just flowing up from the well over there. Natural water well.
This oasis is filled up by a small crack beneath the surface, where the water flows up from underground chambers. The water tunnels go underground all across the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. I was curious and wanted to swim down and see what I could find. I I was afraid to get sucked into the well, so I turned around. It started raining, so I needed to seek shelter. Ooh. Shit, rain. It's raining a lot actually. It's been raining a lot lately actually, because now it's the rainy season here in Mexico. Between June and November there was a tropical storm here recently actually, but now it's been just like kind of raining for an hour and then it's sunny and then it starts raining again.
Here we have a fisherman catching fish.
Seems like it stopped raining, or almost. There is more rain in Mexico during the months of June and November, but it makes everything more green. But it's always warm outside and you never have to be cold. I was on my way back to the lagoon for one last look, then I would start heading back home. The sun is coming out again. Really nice actually. Albert Einstein said, "Look deep into nature and you will understand everything better." I'm on my way back home, another 1 hour walk.
Now I'm taking a different way.
I'm on my way back, 7 kilometers, 7-kilometer walk. I've been walking through town and I think about 5 people asked me the same thing. Hey senor, do you want weed, cocaine, weed, cocaine? No thank you. I'm back in Playa Carra. I've been walking for 15 kilometers.
Look at this guy here, what is that?
I am back. 15-16 kilometer walk. But thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave it a thumbs up and post a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.